True Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning. Comfort you can feel and pricing you can trust. Presented by Toya Butler. I am a student at the University of Wisconsin of Whitewater. I am a communications major, specifically focused on corporate and health communications with a minor in entrepreneurship. And this is a presentation of my business plan for True Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning. And today's agenda, we will cover the company description, the market analysis, products and services, the management team, marketing strategy, operations plan, the financial plan, our social impact, and the growth strategy. And we're going to start with True Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning. It's a residential, light commercial HVAC company focused on delivering reliable, energy efficient, and customer centered heating and cooling solutions. Our vision is to grow from a trusted local provider into a regional and eventually national home services brand. And as you notice, I am just kind of doing an overview of each of the slides. I'm not going to read them verbatim. So, but the slides will be available for your review in detail. So let's move to the market analysis. The industry overview. The HVAC industry is growing due to aging homes, especially in Wisconsin, increasing energy costs, demand for energy efficient systems, and health awareness for air quality. Competitive advantage. Most HVAC companies have slow response times, a lack of transparency in pricing, and use outdated systems. And what True Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning is doing is contrary to that. You'll see that we're providing innovative solutions. Our pricing is reliable and trustworthy, and our response times surpass industry standards. Products and services. The core services will be HVAC installation, repairs, energy efficiency upgrades, maintenance plans, indoor air quality solutions, and future expansion includes plumbing, electrical, and full home service platforms. Next, we'll discuss the management team. We have James Hill as the Chief Executive Officer, Felicia Harvey as the Chief Operations Officer, Damone Hill as the Technical Manager, and myself, Toya Butler, as the Marketing Director, and finally Danette Boozley as the Finance and Administration Manager. Next, we will discuss the sales and marketing strategy. Customer acquisition channel, SEO, the Google search for HVAC services. It's very important, and that's going to be a major focus of ours is the SEO. Social media, referral programs, local partnerships, branded vehicles. Another aspect that we want to focus on is the sales process. Customer services online, booked services, technician visits, and upsell maintenance plans, follow-up and referrals. And the key matrices are going to be the CAC at $250 to $400, conversion at 8 to 15%, and referral goal of 25%. And the operations plan. Let's discuss the daily operations. What we will find is the dispatch system assigns jobs. Technicians complete service calls. The CRM tracks customer history, follow-ups, and maintenance reminders. Our location will be based in Greater Milwaukee and expand to nearby Wisconsin markets. And this slide shows little details about the financial plan, and not so little actually. It looks like a pretty aggressive plan. If you ask me, the first year we'd be looking at 750,000 to 1.2 million in revenue, and our focus is launching and being setting ourselves up to be the premier HVAC company in Greater Milwaukee, with expansion to various cities in Wisconsin, and then hopefully becoming a regional contender with national expectations. And then, as you can see here, with year 4 to 5, we're looking at $8 million to $12 million in revenue. And again, we're talking about a regional scale. Other aspects of the financial plan include the revenue streams. Some of the revenue streams that are critical are going to be, number one, the installations, repairs, the maintenance plans, the air quality products, and the commercial contracts. And social impact. Community is very important to True Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning. 5% of profits donated to local charities. Customers choose where the donations will go. And we'll have an apprenticeship program which partners with local schools that have HVAC programs. And growth strategies. Finally, we are discussing the growth strategies. Let's discuss each point. First and foremost, short term. Build brand in Milwaukee, hire team, increase service capacity. The midterm, expand across Wisconsin, add vehicles and technicians. Long term, Midwest expansion, franchise and corporate model, and national brand. These are just some of the strategies that we are going to use in order to achieve our goal of becoming a national brand in HVAC, of being the number one recommended and recognized brand in HVAC. Thank you.